Hello, introduce my name is Erlinda Salsabila Putri Fatika, NPM 0810, Class A1 22 Elementary School Teacher Education Study Program. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning students, how are you today? I hope you are always in good health, amin. Before starting learning, ma'am is absent first, yes? Is anyone not present today? Alright, because today everyone is present, before starting the lesson, let's pray first. Start praying. Pray a note. Today we will learn material about heat transfer on objects. Does anyone know what is the meaning of heat? Okay, if you don't know, ma'am will explain. So, heat is hot energy that can be received and passed off from one object to another. The heat possessed by object can change, can go up or down. This is because heat can move from high temperature to low temperature. For example, when we mix hot water with cold water, we'll produce water with a warm temperature. Everyday life, we can adjust the heat transfer on needed. Example of event that take advantage of heat transfer are as follows. The first, the transfer of heat from the sun to the earth is utilized in the manufacture of salt. The second is the transfer of heat from the bonfire to the body is used to warm the body. And the third, the heat from the stove fire to the frying pan can make food cooking. As for how to prevent heat transfer, for example, by putting hot water in a thermos is a tool that can be used to prevent heat cooking. Let's remember again about the shape of object. Based on the shape of the object is grouped into three, namely solid, liquid, and gases. The object will experience a change in form due to heat. For example, liquid to solid is called freezing, solid to liquid is called melting, solid to gases is called sublimation, gases to solid is called crystallize, gases to liquid is called condensation, and liquid to gases is called evaporation. Changes in the state of a substance that resolve heat, namely melting, sublimation, and evaporation, will changes in the form of object that release heat are freezing, crystallize, and condensation. Example of changes in state of matter: the first, changes in the form of melting objects, namely ice cream placed at room temperature will melt and ice cubes left out in the oven. Second, changes in the form of freezing objects, namely water stored in the freezer will freeze. Third, the changes in the form of the object's evaporation, namely the water that is heated over time will run out and gasoline that is left in the oven will eventually run out. Fourth, changes in the shape of object condensation, namely there are dots on the surface of the leaf in the morning, and the outside of the glass gets wet when filled with cold water. 5. In the change in the form of crystallized object, namely the event of change stem into snow and the formation of soot in the chimney. And 6. Change in the form of sublimation object, namely jumper which are stored in the cupboard will eventually run out. Discussing changes in the form of object will not be separate from the discussion of the substance of the object itself. To experience a change in form, usually the substance of the object has properties before or after the change in form occurs. The following are the properties of changes in the shape of object that we need to know. First, solids have the following properties: has a shape that tends to remain even, though in is placed in a certain place. Not easy to change shape. To change the shape of a solid object usually requires a very long process, such as heating, pressing, and so on. The second, liquid. Liquid object can of course change form into other forms such as becoming solid object or gases. The properties of liquid are as follow. The shape can change according to the place following or easy to move from a high place to a low place. Liquid object can shift into small gaps, soil, paper, tissue, clothes, and so on. Has a wave motion that can be influenced by several factors such as wind and thirst. And the third, namely gas object. Different from solid and liquid object, whose shape can be clearly seen. Gas object may not be visible to the eye, for example air. Gaseous objects can also change from that were initially invisible to appear and vice versa. Gas have the following properties: has a shape and volume that adjusts to the shape of the container. Has pressure that can press in all directions. For example, when you blow up a balloon, the rubber balloon expands. This proves that the gas is pressing in all directions and adjusting to the container. Do you have anything to ask? Alright, if you don't have anything to ask about today's lesson, we'll finish it. That's all the material explanation from the ma'am. More or less apologize. See you at the study next. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.